Hey Beauty Glam sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello to the new Beauty Glam sisters, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an Easter look. So if you want to see how I create an Easter look, go ahead and stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video, okay? Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to grab is my Wet n Wild concealer, and we're going to put that on the lid. Next, we're going to take our finger and we're going to blend it out. And after it's done blending out, we're going to get our Airspun and we're going to set it with my Wet n Wild brush. Alright, now that we're done with that, we're going to get our shadow shields and we're going to put it on both eyes. And we're going to make sure they're even. Even? Okay, let's go. Next, I'm going to grab this e.l.f. brush with my electric palette from Urban Decay. And we're going to go in with the color Savage. And we're going to put that on our crease. And we're going to do windshield wiper motions. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're going to grab our Wet n Wild blending brush and we're going to blend it so it won't look so harsh. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're going to go in with this flat Wet n Wild brush and we're going to go in with the color Jilted. And we're going to put that on the crease. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're going to grab our e.l.f. eye crease brush and we're going to blend it out so it won't look so harsh. Alright, now I'm going to grab my Ulta brush and go in with Urban and we're going to put that on the crease. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're going to grab our Wet n Wild brush and we're going to blend it and fuse them together. Okay, so after we're done blending, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. eye crease brush again, and we're going to go in with Jilted, and we're going to put it in the inner lid. And we're going to blend those together to fuse them together on both sides. After we're done with blending, we're going to grab our Wet n Wild concealer. We're going to put some in the middle of our lids. Then we're going to grab our Wet n Wild brush, flat brush, and we're going to blend it. Now that we're done with the flat brush, we're going to go in with the crease brush again. And we're going to blend it so it won't look so harsh on the sides where we put the concealer. Okay, now we're going to grab our Ulta brush again. And we're going to go in with the color Revolt on the center lid. Okay, we're going to grab our e.l.f. crease brush again. And we're going to blend Revolt in with the other color so it won't look so harsh. Go in again with our Ulta brush and we're going to put some of the Revolt inner eye. We're going to put some in the inner eye on both sides. We're going to grab the other Ulta brush and we're going to go in with Jilted and we're going to go under the eye. Alrighty, with the same brush, we're going to go in with Urban and we're going to go under the eye again to blend those two colors together. Next, I'm going to grab the Wet n Wild Mega Liner and we're going to do our wing liner. Next, I'm going to grab this CoverGirl liner and we're going to go under our waterline. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're going to remove our shadow shields and see how it looks. And if there's any imperfections like missed spots, go ahead and fix it with your liner. Alright, now that we're done with that, we're going to grab our Beauty Killer palette and we're going to grab a flat brush. We're going to go in with China White and put it on our brow bone. Alright, Beauty Glam sisters, now that I'm done with the eye look, I'm going to go put some eyelashes and some foundation, contour and highlight, and then we'll see how it looks, the complete look, okay? I'll be back. Alright, now that we're all done with the look, what do y'all think? Alright, we're going to go in with Berries on Ice by Jeffree Star. Alright, this is the final look. And if you like this look, go ahead and give a big like, subscribe to my channel, leave comments below. Until next time, Beauty Glam sisters, bye.